Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix and change country region in Apple ID. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you want to change your country region for your Apple ID, so let's see how can you do that. If you're facing this type of error, so you can easily fix that. So the very first thing, you just have to simply go back, and here you have to make sure that you have a stable and a strong internet connection, and you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. So open your settings app, go to general, go to VPN and device management, and you just have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you're connected to any kind of VPN, just simply try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, you have to go back and here go through language and region section, select region, and you have to select your own region in which you're living. Once that's selected, just simply go back. You have to also set date and time, so go to date and time and enable the toggle to set your date and time automatically. After setting your date and time, you have to go back and here you have to go to Apple ID. Now in this section, you have to select subscriptions and you just have to make sure that you haven't any kind of pending subscriptions here. If you find any subscriptions here, just try to unsubscribe or delete your subscriptions from here. Once I've deleted all the subscriptions you have to simply go back and you have to also make sure that you haven't any remaining balance in your Apple Wallet. If you find any remaining balance, so you can try to spend your remaining balance, or if your remaining balance is very big, you're unable to spend your balance, so you can contact with the Apple support team to help you to spend all of your balance, and then you can easily change your country region. So go to Apple Support app. You can easily install this from the App Store, or you can use Apple Support web. I'm gonna use my app here. Just open your app here and you just have to wait for the interface or the loading here. Then select your iPhone, select this more option, then select the App Store here, or you can also select restrictions or which uses option from the main menu here. Select get more help, then tap on call us, and here you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected to the Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after doing this, your issue will be fixed. It will fix your issue if you're facing the remaining balance issue, or if you're also facing the, the country region is not changing issue again. So you can also contact with the Apple support team again to get official help that why your country or region is not changing. Or once you have done or you have spent your balance, you have to simply open your app store, tap on your profile option in the top right, tap on your Apple ID here, then verify yourself using your Face ID or Apple ID password. Select country region, and here you just have to select your own country region in which you're living, or you can also select the country region which you have just selected in your iPhone setting. Then select your country region from here, tap on this continue option, then tap on agree in the top right, and here you just have to add your payment method. If you don't have any payment method, just select the none option and then enter your billing address, your phone number, your name, then tap on done option in the top right, and your country or region will be successfully changing in your Apple ID. So in this way, you can easily fix if you're facing any kind of issue in changing or your country region in your Apple ID. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.